Hello, everyone. My name is Amanda Ladden, and I'm a professor and the Dean of Aromatherapy here at ACHS. And I'm excited to talk to you today about one of our graduate aromatherapy courses, Aroma 505, Aromatherapy 3. So this is our last class in the Aromatherapy Materia Medica series. You get to study over 20 essential oils in this class. We take a deep dive into each of them, looking at their monograph, where we understand what part of the plant they're extracted from. We get to look at key chemical constituents for each of the essential oils, their key therapeutic actions, research around how they can be used to support healthy body systems. We get to study the safety surrounding each of these essential oils, and then look at formulas that utilize these essential oils. So we get to practice with these essential oils, from organoleptic testing to practical labs, where we get to create formulas using the essential oils that we're studying. We get to also examine constituents and understand the therapeutic actions that different constituents bring to these essential oils. We get to practice making aromatherapy support plans using the essential oils that we study in this class. So it's really a very immersive class in essential oils and aromatherapy, materia medica, and applications. So this just really rounds out your aromatherapy training here at ACHS and really helps you have a full array of essential oils that you feel comfortable utilizing, where you understand why they might be used and the best practices for utilizing them. I really enjoy exploring this Materia Medica every semester. We have some great discussion prompts with some wonderful critical analysis that really will help you feel empowered around which essential oils you choose to use in a product or a formula or with a specific client. So if you have any questions about this, please feel free to contact us. The aromatherapy faculty are wonderful, bringing their expertise and professional experience to the classroom. We're happy to try to help answer any questions that you might have. And we're really excited to get to meet you in the next semester.